YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy 72 Grand Prix Boy back at you with another video. Hope everybody doing good today. Hey y'all, chase your dreams, chase your goals, keep them toxic negative people out your life. Hey, it's a good day here in the D. Real good day here in the D. Good weather for fall. All right, y'all, so what I'm working on today is the 72. On the last video I put some cup holders in Angie, and it came out good. So in that video I did say I was gonna put some in the black, in the Grand Prix in 72. So they came in the mail today, and I'm out here in the backyard right now, and I'm about to walk in the garage, and I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, y'all. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and light them up today. I think I'm gonna go on and light them up today. Yeah. So they the same, identical, just different color. The ones in Angie is they blue, and these are gonna be red. So I kind of already made my little cutout or whatever. And where's the saw? This is the saw I'm gonna use. This is the saw I'm gonna use. The saw I use on Angie Tangy jigsaw. I know you guys out there know what this is. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them out, and I'm gonna get back with you guys, and I'll let you know the finishing touch, the before and after. All right, get back with you. 3, 2, 1. YouTube. All right, finally got done with the cup holders. I'm very pleased with myself. I ran the wires, they light up when I turn the key. They match the back, so I pat myself on the back a little bit, you know, so did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna show you guys. All right, all right, let me see. Yeah, don't mind that over there on the driver's side. I was doing some other things with that, and I just set that there. But it came out pretty good, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and light it up. Now turn the key. Yeah, it matches the back. I did them about a year ago or so. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. It looks different in person than on camera, y'all. It's more of a darker red. You know, it's more of a darker red, you know, in person. But on the camera here, it got like, you know, like a little pinkish red in it. But anyway, I'm pleased, y'all. It took me about maybe about an hour. I think I timed myself. I think like about an hour and 15 minutes. Ran the wires and had to cut them out. These are the tools that I use. I think I showed you guys earlier. This is a jigsaw. If you guys ever want to get into doing your own DIY, and then I use the drill to start it. Let me cut the key off because I don't want to mess up my fuel pump, y'all. It's running. All right, and yeah, you know, like I've been telling you guys in a couple of videos, me doing a few things like the TV with Angela, with Angie Tangy. You know, all it takes is a little improvisation and a little patience and a little, you know, just a little creativity. That's all, you know. Oh, I have to run the wires and light these up. These gonna light up blue. and Angie Tangie. So yeah, just say to yourself you can do it. If you just slightly mechanically inclined, just slightly, you can do a lot of stuff on your cars, on your houses. You can save yourself a lot of money. Forget going to the shops unless you got that bag of money. If you got that bag of money, then hey, by all means, bro and sis, do your thing. But for the people that don't, like me, you know, you can do it yourself. Just improvise, take your time, look at it, observe it, and you know, before you know it, it's done. You know, I'm proud of myself, you know, for doing what I did, and my cars taught me a lot over the years, and I never thought that I would be doing the things that I'm doing. So I tell anybody out there that's starting off, you know, with cars, with houses, or YouTube or whatever, just take your time, man. If you do stuff on your own, because sometimes people ain't gonna be there for you, you know, so you got to improvise and do it yourself. It's gonna upset you, but hey, that's part of life. But I am proud. Grand Prix is coming along. There's a few upgrades I want to do to it. I want to put a fresh candy paint job, strip it down to the metal. It's time for another paint job. I did want to go, I wanted to change interior, y'all. I really did. I wanted to go blood red, but I have to see how things are going to do. I like that steering wheel in there. That steering wheel came out pretty good. It came out pretty good. I get a lot of compliments on this TV. People still can't believe how I mounted that TV in there. But yeah, I did want to go red guts eventually in the near future. Yeah, I gotta take that rag off out there, y'all. That look tacky. Yeah, that look real tacky, y'all. I got a lot of junk that was in the glove box. There's a lot of junk that was in the glove box. You know, that I had to take out before I started cutting out the cup holders. But all right, so I'll probably most likely I think I'm gonna take it out for a ride, and when they get a little darker outside, I'm gonna see how it's gonna look at nighttime, and I'll vlog right quick and let y'all see it. So in the meantime, I'm gonna do a little cleaning up. I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, peace. All right, guys, what's going on with you? All right, it finally got dark here, so I did promise you guys that I was going to show you the lights once it get dark. I'm out cruising in 72 right now. I hope you guys can see me. Look kind of dark, but I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right. Good, y'all. Like I said earlier in the video, when I was at home, the color looks different in person. It's a pretty red, dark red. On camera, it has like a pink color to it, like, you know. But all in all, I'm very pleased. It looks good. I advise anybody to, if you got an old school, get you some lighted cup holders. You can get them off of eBay. They really cheap. Yeah, they really cheap off of eBay. You can also get them off of Amazon too. I think they like $15, $20. Just gonna do a little quick roundabout of 72 right quick. You can see through the windshield. I got the little lights. Windshield. I'm gonna do a little cruise right quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope y'all can see me. It's dark in the Grand Prix. Sorry about that, y'all. Little phone difficulty. All right, y'all. It's your boy 72 Grand Prix boy checking out. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you know when I drop each and every video. On that note, I'm out. Peace.